The 2019 Volunteer Service Awards is being held at the Waterford in Springfield. Each year we host between 400 and 500 members of our community leaders, members of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and other dignitaries gather together here to celebrate volunteerism and to honor the people in our region who have excelled in the field of volunteerism over the past year. Volunteerism is something that is part of the fabric of our society. It's part of our responsibility, and you see represented here at this breakfast a real cross-section of the people who are doing volunteerism in our community. This event really celebrates the importance of volunteering in our community. Volunteerism strengthens our community. It strengthens individuals, it strengthens families. It starts with the individuals that are honored here in this room, not only the ones who win awards, but the 150 individuals who were nominated, and for that matter, their nominators who number in the hundreds as well. Most of them are represented here at this breakfast, which is the premier event in Fairfax County that promotes the ethic of volunteerism, the act of volunteerism.